Right guys, this is going to be a quick little intro before I start the video, and I've been invited to compete in Prague for the IPF, the Junior and Sub-Junior World Championships. So I've been invited to compete for Great Britain, and I've got a GoFundMe to get some money towards, because powerlifting's a self-funded sport. So I'm going to leave a link in the bottom if any of you are feeling generous enough to help us get some money to go. So that's all I've got to say, so I guess I hope you enjoy the video. Yo, what's up? Welcome to a full day of eating. I can't remember what number this is. I think it's 10. 9 or 10. So what I'm having to eat is some sweet potato fries and a rump steak. And I'm going to have that with a can of Monster. But what I'm going to be doing now is we're going to my dad's house to go sunbathe in the garden, because recently the weather in Britain's been quite nice, so I'm going to go try and get a tan, so I guess I'll see you there. We're going sweet potato fries and steak. It's too hot for you. Oh. Sunbathing weather. Nice. Too cold.
Is back. Acts include
Had fun at Dad's.
James, indie superstar.
Had fun. Whoa, I caught it! I fucking caught it! That looks fucking mint! Lads, Chuffs get in.
I'm not emailing that. Come on.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
Did you see that one? I saw it down the sky.
As you've seen, it was thundering just before, right? Thundering and lightning. So if you look out now, it's nice and sunny. Some pretty flowers. See what I mean? Britain's weather. What do you think of the weather, Truffles? Right, this is what my sister's made. She's want some recognition for making them. Mine are the ones without pepper and what's it called? Onion, because I don't actually like it, so I'll season it in a second. Get some pepper on the go. Gotta get some pepper. Cheeky bit of salt. And the gaffer coming in here. Oh, not that side. Bit of paprika. Any coming out? God. Away. Right, end of there because it's just not coming out. This is what it looks like before I go for bowls. The skew, steamy. And some sweet potato fries. So, I'll see you when I get back from bowls. Right, I got back from bowls about an hour and a half ago, and what I'm having to eat now, the last thing for the day, is chicken chargals, sweet and sticky barbecue with 2 wraps. So that's it for today, so I hope you enjoy the footage, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace!